Hey guys, what's up? It is Crazily Plays here. Today I'm on Alicia Online and I will be breeding. I have bred, I recorded part one, and then it failed, so yeah, it's all good in the hood, guys. But I got this little buskin foal called Blue Dragon and good stats, so I'm happy. Thread and repeater. I don't even know how much that horse just cost me. Why? It's the curse of the Brown Falls. Guys, you don't know. Like, the curse of the Brown Falls and the crap stats, too. Wow, I can't even read twice. You know what, Exena? Breed with this one again. All I'm begging for is a black and white horse. Just want a black and white horse, guys. So annoying. I've been breeding with this horse for a while, and she's giving me brown foals, as you can see. No, one like the mother of the father. Well, it looks kind of like the mother, but doesn't look like the better. The grade 6. Oh my god, I love this horse. Totally not. Hate this horse. Ugly. Blummin' ugly. What the heck is my game lagging for? Why am I on my profile? I don't know. Just give me a black and white horse, please. Nope. Well, seriously, we always choose the ones with the crap carrots. You know what? You are crap. And you got the blue arrow. No wonder you're not giving me any good horses. Okay. Black and white. Ooh, ugly. Black and white. Ooh, and ugly. Black and white, I will try it. I just want a black and white horse. I don't care what the mane is, black or white. I don't care. I want a black and white horse. Please, I'm begging you, please. Oh my god, an apple is that I'm keeping. I am keeping it. It didn't give me a black and white foal, but it gave me an apple, and I'm happy. Grade 5, that's good. Fantastic. Zorro, I'm gonna. Nah, I don't like the name. Alpha. No. I have no idea. Roxy, okay. We're keeping this foal. I love that horse. I need to find that horse. Nope, wrong horse. Why can't I find this horse again? No, it wasn't 10,000. There's a black horse. Yeah, nah, I'm not gonna breed one. I want this horse. No. Where's the rage? Like I find a good horse and then I can't find it again. What is with my luck? Nope. Where the heck is it? I'll be back when I find it. I don't know if this was the exact horse, but I'm gonna breed with it anyway. It's 8,000. We're down to quite low carrots, which is kind of crap, but we'll be good for now. Come on, I just want a black and white horse, please, I'm begging you. Oh, for God's sake, another one of these, seriously. I've had these my whole entire life on this game. I hate them, I hate them, I hate them. In a grade 5, that's even crapper. Is that even a word? I don't know. Memorable. No, I'm not going to memorize you. You're ugly. So say that. But I'm glad we have one horse that I like. Wait, how much was that black one? Oh my god, I hate this. Wait, no, I saw a black and white one there. Should we breed with that one? No, because it's $10,000. No, thank you. Search. There's the one we just bred with. Wait, no, it's not. Nope. No, there it is. Okay, let's breed with that one again. That's the one that we originally bred with. To get one of the pinot, whatchamacallit, I forgot the name. Apples, there we go. Nope. Why? Why does God do this to me? Potential iron grit. Well, nah, see you later. I don't like you. Why? Why this game don't like me? This game here does not like me. Aladdin, what a name to call a horse. Oh my god, that horse is tiny. I want to breed with that one. Let's add this and add this one. Right, let's breed with Amanda. Please, I just want a black and white horse. Please, I'm begging you. That's all I want. No, but I do want this horse. Not the horse I was wanting, but I still wanted the horse. Not a grade 3, though. You can see you later. You're not staying with me. Ugly grade 3 horse. Wait, what grade was this horse? 6. Whatever. I kind of want to breed with this horse because the mane, but then that'd be it. No, I could breed one more horse after that. After this, guys. The last two. Oh my god, I spent all my carrots on that. Oh my god, I hate this horse. Ugh. Probably grade 3. Yes, I literally just saw that coming. I legit, this game hates me. What is it with a girl that can't just have a normal? Legit. Right, Amanda, you better do us favors. Probably not, though. Probably a grade 3 ugly horse. Probably a brown horse. I hate brown horses. No offense, Xana. Please, I just want a black and white horse. Probably not. Nope. Oh, I do want one of these, though. Please, just have good stats. Oh my god, I just, nailed that. I wanted this horse. I don't know. Fireball. Yay, okay. We have spent all our money and I did not get a black and white horse. I'm raging, but okay. we're good for now. So let's have a look at their new horses. So Blue Dragon has a short mane and a thin tail. Look, they're looking fireballs, so cute. Roxy has, oh, I like Spiky. Spiky and long and thin, medium and short. Okay. Look, guys, Amanda could have brought us that or that. See, I told you, I knew, I nailed it, I named it. But now we have got 0 carrots. Okay. I can't even go in to see my foals. Let me have to see my foals. I love my foals. Excuse me, my horse is dirty. I just raced it for like ages. There's Blue Dragon, so cute, even though he's not blue, but yeah. Oh my god, there's Roxy. Oh my god, Roxy just ran through me. No, it's Fireball. Oh, there's Fire. Oh, he loves under the tree then. Hey, Fireball, could you come out, buddy? Come out for me, please. There he is. He's so cute. Yeah, Fireball, he's so cute. I got him. I need to shut up. I actually have another account with a black and white horse on it, so I don't know, guys. If you want, oh my god, if you want me to go on that account, please name that down below, and I just been running to random things. So I might make a video on it. I'm not that sure yet, but anyway, guys, if you did enjoy, smash that like button, and also remember to subscribe if you're new. And I will see you all next time. Bye.